All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So right here we have this G37 Sport that we are going to be doing a full MOTORDYNE exhaust setup on. You guys can tell, MOTORDYNE. Yep. We got the full exhaust right here, thanks to SoCal Z, with MOTORDYNE ARP pipes. So we got the full exhaust. Look at that. That looks so good. And then we got a carbon fiber hood that we are going to be putting on this car as well. This car has some damage on the door. As you guys can see right here, it's kind of like warped. Right here and right here on this fender, and the hood right here. So we are going to be replacing the hood, the fender, and the door. We got the new door right here. So we're going to be swapping these doors out, putting the carbon fiber hood on, and then that fender is going to be put on this car. And then we are going to be giving this car a full color change. So it is going to be a complete different color once it's all done. So we're going to get started with the exhaust first. All right, so we got the car on jack stands and jacks. It's got dual oil catch cans, still in intakes, wrapped with that gold foil. I'm going to give you guys a quick startup so you guys can hear what this car sounds like with its current exhaust setup. I have no idea what this is. Probably an axle back. As you guys can see, it's got the rear mufflers, but then it's got the original exhaust piping in the back. And then you got that custom right there. You guys could see that open pipe. So it's got a controller to actually open and close that, so it makes it sound louder, but it's basically like just making the car a straight pipe. So you definitely hear the difference in the tone when you have that valve that's in the middle opened up. It definitely makes the car sound way more aggressive, which is, like I said, it's a pretty cool feature, but MOTORDYNE. All right, so we just removed the intakes. We got them right here. And then, so as you guys can see, further down in there, let's see if it can focus.
Oh, you see it right there.
Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. All right.
Studs.
So you can see that stud right there, and then that stud down there. And then on this side's a lot easier to see. You can clearly see them right there. That one down there. And then the one right above it. That bolt right there. So you got two that you could get from the top up here that you need to do, and then the other one is backwards, so you get it from the bottom. So we're gonna get these out of the way first. You're gonna need super long extensions. Luckily for me, I have quite a few. And then we are gonna be using the breaker bar because we don't want to strip those bolts, because if those bolts strip, that is definitely gonna be a pain in the ass to get rid of afterwards. So let's get those out, and then we'll go right under and continue removing the rest of the exhaust. MOTORDYNE is on all the way to the back. Yep. So let's give it a quick startup, see how she sounds. All right, so we got the car back on the ground. We're gonna go on a quick test drive, make sure we don't hear any leaks in the exhaust or any rattling that we're not supposed to. All right, so let's give it another cold startup real quick so you guys can hear it. Definitely sounds so good. So we do got the check engine light because the O2 sensor still needs to be wired up, but we'll do that when we come back. I need to check out George's car so I can look at his O2 sensor. So he'll be coming by later today, and then I'll be able to wire up the new one. But for the meantime, I did plug up the O2 sensor hole with the sensor, and then I just zip tied the cable too. Damn, that's a lot louder. Alright guys, so this is going to be the end of today's video for at least the exhaust part of this car. So this car is going to be getting a full color change, plus replacing the door with a new door, replacing the fender with a new fender, and then we're going to be replacing the hood with a carbon fiber hood and giving the whole car a full color change as well. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.